thing on. Hey, hey you. Yeah, you. Over here. It's me. I know what you're probably thinking right now. Oh my goodness, he talks? Yes, I talk, and I do a lot of other stuff too. I sing and I dance and I feel. Wow, look at that hat! I can see! Hello, gorgeous. Hello. Anthony! Speak! I order you to speak, woman! Do it now! Look, bubble wrap! I love bubble wrap! It won't pop! When things don't work out my way, I get feisty. When I get feisty, people get hurt. Painfully. You know that Stevie, right? He seems like a pretty nice guy. Well, he's not. I used to be a hunk. I used to look like this. But look at me now. I'm disgusting. Disgusting. It's all his fault. So I decided to kill him. I tried to steal his pickle. I tried to put butter all over his DDR to trick him. I ruined his New Year's. Any of these days now he will die. Mark my words.